Hey guys, thank you for joining me for another cave workout. My name is Otto Hernandez and we are going to have an awesome workout today, okay? Let me get to one question someone asked me earlier today, which was, what if we only have one dumbbell or one kettlebell, and how are we going to be able to do your workouts? You know what? I've been in that exact situation myself before. Most of these exercises, all you need to simply do is do it one arm at a time. So one arm at a time pressing, one arm at a time pulling. When you're doing squats, you can hold your weight in front of you like this and go straight up and down with your squats. There's many things you could do one arm at a time. Obviously, not all exercises which require both arms can you do. But if you look around the house and you don't have any straight bars or easy curl bars, then you want to grab maybe a basket full of laundry, fill it up so you have some resistance, so you can pull that for your back or anything else, even to do deadlifts with that. Always wait so there's resistance there, and look around the house for inanimate objects to use as weights, as non-perishable food in cans, tools, a chair, something that gives you resistance. But please, I cannot stress more than enough to please be careful with these items. That something's gonna fall off, hit you on your foot, or hurt somebody beside you, or maybe break something of yours in your house. Be mindful of that, okay? And don't forget, near the end of the workout, we're gonna have another great circuit plan for our abs that we should be trying doing every day, because you know what? Everybody wants that six-pack. And the only way you can get it is obviously with a lot of cardio, perfect diet, but you also have to exercise them. Okay guys, so we're gonna have a great workout. So we're gonna get started now and we're gonna have a great one. Okay guys, so let's get ready. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing we're gonna do are squats with the weights in front. So front squats, okay? Remember, if you only have one dumbbell or kettlebell, you can hold it in front of you and go straight up and down for your squats. Great for your quads, okay? So we're gonna do 4 sets of 12. Be careful, mindful, make sure you've stretched your legs a bit already and warmed up before you jump into this, okay? Because it's a lot of resistance, and you know what? Squats are the king of exercises because it requires most of your muscles to keep the balance, and it takes a lot of oxygen for you to come up and down. So overall, your blood is flowing everywhere. You need to do squats. And trust me, I struggle with my chicken legs, and I don't want to have chicken legs. I'm sure a lot of people don't. Don't forget to squat. Don't be that guy wearing track pants in the summertime. All right, let's get this going. Get in position. Grab your weight. Bring it up. All right, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, squeeze at the top, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, whew, last one. Remember, squeeze at the top, 12. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the next exercise we're doing are stiff leg deadlifts with dumbbells, okay? Remember, if you don't have 2 dumbbells, do 1 leg at a time, or just simply hold the dumbbell in the front of you, and you could do it at the same time, both legs. Just keeping the dumbbell right in the middle of both your legs, going straight up and down. Okay, I have the camera on this angle, not to show off my butt, but so you can see how I'm keeping my legs straight and the hamstrings that are being affected when doing this exercise. And you can use the mirror right over here to see how it looks from the front and how I'm trying to keep my legs as straight as possible. Hence the name stiff leg deadlifts. Okay guys, so we're gonna do 4 sets of 12 as usual. Okay, so please be careful. Make sure you've already stretched your hamstring by trying to touch your toes or any other method to warm them up and have them stretch. Okay, so let's get this going. All right, get in front of your dumbbells. Bend a bit before you pick them up. Okay, have them to your side. Now you're gonna do straight down and up. Remember, look straight ahead and up so you're not curving your back, okay? Can you see that? I'll move over just a bit. Keep your back flat, looking straight up. as much as possible. Legs straight. As usual, I lost count. I'll do 2 more. Last one. All right, great job, everybody. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the next exercise we're going to be doing are called our shrugs for our traps. But the way I do them, and I love doing it this way because our traps are back here, are behind your back kind of pull-ups, okay? I learned those from 8-time Mr. Olympia champ Lee Haney. So I'm pretty sure I'll follow the guy who's won 8 Mr. Olympias in a row. So you grab a straight bar, easy curl bar. If you don't have, you can even use dumbbells. Put it behind your back, and then you're gonna pull straight up and down and shrug it. Like you're kind of saying, so what to somebody. Like, are you afraid of this pandemic? So what, I'm not afraid kind of thing. You know, keep that mentality. Always be positive and I don't know, or I don't care. But be smart, be safe, okay? So you're gonna stand with the bar behind your feet, bend down, pick it up, you know, nice and balanced, and you're gonna pull it straight up and down and shrug. 4 sets to 12, okay? So let's do this, I'll show you how it's done. I'm stepping here, the bar is right behind me, bending down to pick it up. Okay, I have it balanced, and I'm just gonna up and down, straight shrug. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can even look down if you want. 7, 8, 9, 10. You'll feel these good. 11. Last one. Squeeze at the top. 12. All right, guys. Great job on that last exercise. As you can see, I'm a little bit out of breath because I'm taking as little time in between sets, which is another form of cardio, which is keeping your heart rate up. So if you can do that, great. If you can't, you know, take your time. Don't push yourself too hard, okay? I don't want someone getting dizzy or fainting from not taking enough rest. Safety first. All right, next exercise, we're doing our dumbbell presses for our shoulders, but we're gonna do it one arm at a time. Remember what I always said about doing shoulder presses. You're gonna do not straight out. You're doing traps. What I want you to do is kind of into a curve, like you're pointing the dumbbell to the middle of your head. Always a bit of an angle. Okay, that way there's always constant pressure on your shoulder, constant moving. You see, I don't even go all the way down, about halfway there, up and down. Okay, so do 12 reps, 4 sets each arm. Okay, so here we go. Just grabbing my dumbbell and I'm pointing it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Switch sides. Same thing, a little curve. 1, pointing down towards your head. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, ladies, and now we're going to move on to the next exercise. This one I called Windshield Wipers, simply because it looks like that. Basically, these are great for your biceps, and you're going to feel it a lot in your forearms, okay? So you're going to use the dumbbells. You can do one arm at a time. You're going to kind of wipe them across your chest and down. Windshield Wipers. See that name? So you're going to do 12 each arm. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remember, 4 sets of 12, okay? 12 each arm. Good job, guys. Alright guys, I'm on the floor, so you know what that means. It's time for our abdominal circuit workout, okay? 3 different exercises today. You're going to be doing one after each other, 10 reps per side or per exercise for 4 sets, okay? First one we're going to do are called, what I call starfish. So basically you're on the floor, you're lying down, and you're going to open your arms and your legs as you try and bring your head up and your legs up at the same time. You're going to do 10 of those, and then right away we're going to go into this one called bicycles. You know, the ones that you have your hands behind your head, you have your knees up, and you're going elbow to knee like you're riding a bike. Okay, you're going to do 10 each elbow to knee, so 10 each side, and right away lie down, put your hands beside you or under your butt, and you're going to do stiff leg races, and do not touch the floor half an inch or an inch off the floor, right back up and down. And remember, do those controlled. Don't just let them drop, okay? So let's get to it, all right? We're going to start with the starfish, lying down flat. And here we go. You're kicking everything up and out, including your bringing up your back off the ground. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, bicycles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, leg raises. 1, don't touch the floor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew! All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was our great ab circuit, 3 different exercises, 10 reps each or per side for a total of 4 sets. Okay guys, so once again, that comes to the conclusion of today's workout. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. Remember, safety first. Watch your surroundings. Most important, now that you're at home, watch what you're eating. Cook it as clean, as healthy as possible. And remember, stay positive. We're all in this together, and we're all going to make it through together. Okay, everybody? So stay strong and keep a smile going.